In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change and customize the Safari toolbar design on iOS 26 to match your style and improve your browsing experience. First, you'll need to launch Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down to Apps, then head over to the option Safari. Now, scrolling down, you're going to find this section of Tabs and Toolbar. Here, you'll see few layout options. If you select Compact Tab Bar, you'll get a minimal, clean look that gives you more space for content. If you choose Bottom Toolbar, the address bar moves to the bottom of the screen, making it easier for one-handed use. And if you prefer the classic look, select Top Toolbar to move the address back bar to the top, just like the older version of Safari. Once you make your selection, your Safari toolbar will instantly update to reflect your new design. And that's it, you have successfully customized the Safari toolbar on iOS 26. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.